got ourselves a situation.
This is day 2 or 3 or 5?
Wait, what is today? 3 days?
This is our 3rd day.
This is the 3rd day.
Okay, so
Day 3.
Day 3
of King of the Hammers. It's a dust cloud today. You can't see anything. But we're going to run up and meet with the Grindhard boys and check out Colonel Senders and their Tesla and stuff. So
I'm kind of excited.
yeah, they're going to be cool.
I want to see that Barbie Jeep.
We'll go see them. Maybe you can ride it.
Oh yeah. I've decided that Hammertown never sleeps.
Ever.
Ever. It's like, it's sheer chaos, like all the time. And for all you guys wanting us to change the windshield, I'm starting to like it. I mean, starting to get used to that.
We're going to show you guys an intersection right here that will remind you of a third world country.
Is it really considered an intersection?
Well, we're intersecting a bunch of stuff. This guy in the white truck's doing a U-turn in the middle of our intersection. Story on that side if we wanted right now, and everyone's cool with it.
Yeah.
There's no traffic laws in Hammertown. You just do as you please until someone pulls you over.
And you just randomly drive around.
Yep.
Just because.
No place to go. You just, we're gonna drive there because I just revved him because he revved me. And we're cool because we've got a 6-cylinder to rev with. Sometimes you get 7 once in a while once you built enough fire in there to...
Good, Ethan.
Nice to meet you, Ethan.
Edwin. Michelle. What was your name? Paul. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Is this your first time down here?
Yeah.
Ours
Yours
too.
as well, yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're Grindhard Plumbing Co.
Yeah, everybody knows you guys from that pink Jeep, right? Or the pink car. It's like a court. What is it?
The Mustang. The first one we built was a Mustang. Yeah.
But what made you guys decide to do that?
It just seemed like a really good idea at the time. And it turns out it was. I love the sound of that thing. It's good when you're in it, but it's like too loud. Hearing it go is just the most beautiful noise.
You may never get that back.
I'll just trade him. Straight across. I've had my time in that. I'll straight across. Straight across.
Straight across.
That thing's pretty cool. Yeah, that thing's awesome, man. The power to weight ratio.
It's
killer.
stupid, yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna
So.
Somebody probably needs
Whoever's
to move
Jeep
that.
this is right here, you shouldn't have parked right there.
I probably should have shifted it, but I didn't know how, so I just left it in first.
It's like this thing now is completely useless because it has a range of like 100 miles.
Yeah.
But it's really fun.
That's 100 miles of fun.
Yeah. But I love how it turned out, and the roof
it
tent
looks
up here
awesome.
just looks, it really sets it off, makes it just
No, it looks awesome.
It needs a snorkel.
Yeah.
It needs one. It doesn't need one,
But it needs one. You're right.
Yeah.
I will return.
I think so. I sacrificed myself for the shot.
Dude, this thing's amazing.
It's pretty cool. It's been a ton of
So
work.
we gotta go drive on some
yeah.
stuff with
Yeah.
these two.
We're gonna go find a little spot to just mess around with Grindhard Plumbing Co.
Whoa, wait a minute.
then he has taken over the driver's seat. How was that?
Driving this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's great. I love it. I need one of these in my life. I'm not used to being able to hear the sound of slam, crunch, and not have to worry about it. This thing is so much fun. It drives just as nicely as it looks.
It's been fun to build. Still not done. Nothing's ever done, but
Oh, of course.
but it's getting closer.
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
It's a good thing that we got a tow truck here.
Yeah, I think it's actually inside the chain case. Something went wrong.
We're gonna need your assistance.
Hey, you know anybody that can tow me out of here?
I know a guy.
The drive shaft is totally fine. The transfer case, something blew up in there. I don't know what. I don't know if the shaft sheared or the chain broke or something. Because it drive shaft spins, tires don't.
Rory, this your first time towing anything this size out?
No, actually,
Yeah, dude, this is
Your
epic.
daughter's barbecue.
yeah, I have.
Excellent. We got ourselves a situation. Typical grind hard fashion. We tried to do too many
Gonna have
things.
to get up
Just
on
broke
that.
everything. The Camaro's broken. Actually, hey,
It's not going anywhere.
yeah.
So, turns out hanging out with Grindhard is just like us. Everything's broken and it's normal. So, we thought we were special, but we're not. They break stuff too.
Back in. Yeah. Safely back, safe and sound.
So we'll stop and get fuel there, and then I can look at the map and figure out the best spot to get off the highway in Vegas and
Yeah.
get back on the highway in
Just dump
Vegas.
me off and carry
So
on
this
your
is what's
way.
happening currently.
So basically what I have to do is go home now so I can get ready for next week's video and do a bunch of other stuff that I need to do. So I decided that I was just gonna walk to the highway and then hitchhike to Vegas and then get a flight home. And
Then he
what
hates he
seemed
hung
like
out
a
with
better
us.
idea.
We just happen to be going that way.
Yeah.
Hey. How are you doing?
I knew I seen that piece of junk come through the intersection. How long you been here?
You know what? We just came in for today.
Oh yeah? I knew I
Yeah.
seen that Jeep. I'm like, that had to have been Merlin's Jeep. Yeah, there's
It is a dusty.
holy Jeep.
dirty.
See you
How
guys.
are you?
All
Michelle?
of this going on.
So
Like,
these guys are
seriously.
famous. If no one knows, these
Whatever.
two are famous.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Paul's the
That's my
famous
famous cousin.
Paul's the famous one. How are you doing?
I'm good. Gotta come clear to the desert to see my cousin.
Yeah.
So.
That's where it's at now here.
Yeah.
Of all the places to find somebody,
Oh yeah.
we found people that we knew.
And it's like a big family reunion.
I know, right? Yeah, we got Merlin's Old School Garage YouTube channel.
Put that into Google.
We got Grindhard Plumbing Co. And then Welder Up, Steve Darnell. And then Rory. We got him over there.
We'll see you later, man. All right. We're out of here.
Back in it.
See you, Steve.
See you later, guys.
We will do something one of these days.
Nice meeting you.
I know.
Try to do legal-ish stuff. Yep. See ya.
Ready?
I think so. I think we're about ready to get out of here.
What a few days that it has been. This is our windshield currently. Just from sitting here. Well, we're loaded and we're ready to go back to Utah, right?
Ready to go back, get in the shop, and get back to work, get some stuff done. We got lots of projects coming up, and you guys are gonna dig a couple of them because they're gonna benefit you.
In the most recent turn of events, Edwin from Grindhard Plumbing Co. decided that he needed to go home.
Rory
he's in with
is,
Rory, and he's caravanning with us, and
Drop
Rory's
him off
gonna.
in Vegas.
Yep, we're gonna drop him off at the airport in Vegas.
It all worked out.
It all worked out, and we're loaded up and ready to go home. It's been a fun week though. What was your favorite part?
The night ride was a pretty good time. Finding $1 under a bush was a pretty good time.
Do you think you'll come back?
Oh yeah, we'll come back to the Hammers. Now we know what to expect. Now I've had a good time, couldn't have asked for more out of this trip. I'm happy.
So here we are. What's going on?
Nothing, we're just sitting here because
You can't get out.
apparently
Look at
there's
that.
a freeway
Look at this line of cars.
in the desert out here. Sure, Rory's sitting wherever he's at waiting the same.
Thanks for visiting Hammertown is what that sign just said. You're welcome.
We visited Onward Homeward.
Rory's in front of us and you can't even see it because all the dust is flying off his trailer and his truck right now. Anyway, so it's been a super fun week. Super cool to see something that you've watched on TV for so many years, right?
Oh yeah.
Like in person.
Not our last trip, we'll be back.
I was about to say, until next year. We stopped at DQ so Edwin here could have his last supper. Because we're about to drop him off in Vegas. This Rory has plans.
I'm super excited.
He wants to like drop him off at the strip. And my mama heart doesn't want to drop him off at the strip.
But I mean, for real, you guys can just dump me off the side of the highway and I'll figure it out.
I just want to cruise down the strip with a 40-foot gooseneck. There you go.
Are we gonna follow him if he does this?
We got to, we can't leave him.
Oh my gosh.
2 hours later.
We're pulling into Vegas. We're doing this. Rory just took an exit, so it's really happening. We're gonna drive 2 trucks and trailers down the strip.
What could go wrong?
What could go wrong? Here we are, just barely getting into the strip, and somebody pulls off to the side and tells us we got a flat tire on our trailer.
Why we can't have nice things, Paul?
Like we were almost there, guys.
We were really close.
Yeah, we were.
Well,
She's flat.
You got an impact gun?
yes I do.
That'll speed things up.
We were just talking about how we're glad this happened here and not on the freeway so much.
Would have been a different story.
So good job, Rory. He had a great idea. Good idea or bad idea?
Yet to be determined.
I guess Rory's up ahead currently. We got a little cut off in traffic. We're not sure if he's got Edwin or not still.
Don't know if he dropped him off or
I'm
not.
pretty
We already
sure-
passed where they were getting out, so
Yeah,
I
so
don't
I'm
know
pretty
if we
sure
lost him or
that
not.
Edwin is being dropped off and he's on his way. So we told him that he needed to call us when he got home.
Just getting home from the Hammers way early morning. The Hammers was awesome. It's a cool experience. We're going back for sure. We're here, we're home, made it home safe and sound. Everything's good. We'll go in and get to bed.
So if you guys want to check out the cool stuff that these guys build, go over to Grind Hard Plumbing Co. And if you want to check out what Rory does for a living, go over to Trail Mater.
Thanks for watching.